Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum grade 2. Welcome to online science class. I am your science teacher from Dr. EQ Khan school system. Today we will do the last topic of our chapter life science, which is teeth. This topic is on page number 21. Okay? So open your book, page number 21. Which page? 21. The topic is teeth. We will study the teeth, their type, and how we can protect our teeth. First of all, why we use teeth? We have teeth that help us to eat. We utilize our teeth to help us to eat any kind of food. Okay? There are 4 different types of teeth in our mouth. How many types of teeth? There are 4 different types of teeth in our mouth. A, B, C and D. Number 1 is the incisors. What? Incisors. Incisors, as the name indicates that they works as a scissor. Their function is to cut food. Just like we cut the cloth with the help of scissors, so incisors functions as to cut the food so that it can be broken into smaller pieces, so that becomes easy for us to swallow it or to chew it. Okay, incisors functions as the scissors and they helps us to cut the food. How many incisors are present in our mouth? 8. Okay. Number 2 type of teeth is the canines. What? Canines. Canines are the sharp teeth. There are 4 canines present in the mouth, 2 in the upper jaw. These black teeth, which I have colored them black, these are called the canines. They are 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. Number 3, a third type of teeth is the premolars. Pre meaning first, molars meaning molars से पहले. Molars से पहले जो teeth आते हैं, we call them premolars. What? Premolars. Repeat with me. Incisors are used for cutting, canines are used for tearing, premolars are used for crushing. There are 8 premolars in our mouth. 4 in the lower jaw and 4 in the upper jaw. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. The 4 type of teeth are the molars. Molars are very strong, rigid teeth. Their function is to chew food. How many molars are present in our mouth? 12. 6 in the lower jaw and 6 in the upper jaw. Now come to this diagram. How many teeth are present in the mouth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many teeth? 16. So the first 4 teeth, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the lower jaw. The 4 front teeth are called incisors. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. But how many incisors are there? 8. So 4 in the lower jaw and 4 in the upper jaw together make the incisors. Incisor functions as to cut the food into smaller pieces. The front 4 teeth are called the incisor. Next is the canines. Besides the incisor, you can feel a very sharp teeth which is used for what? Canines is used for tearing food. Tearing meaning to have a grip on the food. These sharp teeth are called canines. How many canines are present? 4. 1, 2 in the lower jaw, 2 in the upper jaw. Together make 4. Next is the premolars. But I have told you that pre means first, molar से पहले. So molar से पहले 2 टीथ आते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड प्रीमोलर्स. व्हाट? प्रीमोलर्स. दीज टू एंड दीज टू आर कॉल्ड प्रीमोलर्स. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the lower jaw, 4 in the upper jaw. 8 premolar function as to crush the food. The third one is the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 molars. Their function is to chew food into smaller pieces. There are 4 different types of teeth: incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, premolars for crushing, and molars for chewing. How many incisors? 8. Canines 4, premolars 8, and molars 12. The next is how we can protect our teeth. We can protect our teeth by following the following step. You have to follow these steps in order to keep your teeth healthy and to avoid many kinds of infections and diseases. You have to brush your teeth regularly in the day and in the night, twice a day, because by brushing some of the bacteria are removed from our mouth. The second is limit sugary food. Limit sugary foods, that it means that you have to limit your sugar intake. You have to limit sweets. You have to limit cakes, chocolates, sweets, etc. Because these sugary foods, for example sweets, build up a plaque on the teeth. What is a plaque? Plaque is a bacterial layer on the teeth which eventually led to the deterioration of the teeth, which led to the destruction of the teeth. So we have to limit our sugary food and sugary intake. Number C, visit the doctor once a year. We have to visit the doctor so that we should know that what is the problem going on with our teeth. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.